Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what secrets does the moon hold? Well, let's dive in. Our moon, Earth's faithful companion, is no spring chicken. In fact, it's about 4.5 billion years old, a mere cosmic toddler formed shortly after Earth itself took shape. Now, the story of the moon's birth is quite the celestial drama. Picture this, our young Earth alone in the vast cosmos gets struck by a Mars-sized body, and boom, the moon is born. This is what scientists call the giant impact hypothesis, the leading theory about the moon's formation. So imagine the chaos, the heat, the sheer power of that impact. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? And from that violent, fiery clash, our serene, silver moon emerged, forever tied to us by gravity. So the moon, our quiet companion in the sky, was born out of a violent cosmic collision. You might be thinking, okay, the moon is old, but why does it matter? Well, let me tell you. The moon plays a crucial role in our daily lives, and it's not just about lighting up the night sky. One of the moon's most significant impacts is its gravitational pull, which greatly influences Earth's tides. Imagine our oceans without the ebb and flow of tides. It would be a different world indeed. But that's not all. The moon also plays a starring role in solar and lunar eclipses, providing us with some of nature's most awe-inspiring spectacles. Talk about a celestial showstopper. Beyond these, the moon acts as a stabilizing force for our planet. It helps maintain Earth's axial tilt, contributing to a stable climate. This stability has been crucial for the development and flourishing of life as we know it. Without the moon, life on Earth might look very different, if it existed at all. Ever wonder what's hiding on the dark side of the moon? Now let's get one thing straight right off the bat. The term dark side is a bit of a misnomer. It's not perpetually shrouded in darkness, as one might imagine. It's simply the side of the moon that perpetually faces away from our Earth. This mysterious side was completely unknown to us until the Soviet Luna 3 mission in 1959. It was then that we got our first glimpse of the far side of the moon, a sight never before seen by human eyes. It was a monumental moment in space exploration, offering us a peek into the unknown. But what did we see? Well, it wasn't a landscape of alien cities as some sci-fi dreamers may have hoped. The terrain was markedly different from the familiar face we're used to. The far side is densely peppered with craters and lacks the large, dark, flat seas or maria we see on the near side. It's rugged, heavily scarred, telling a tale of cosmic bombardment. So why the disparity? Scientists believe it's due to the thicker crust on the far side, which may have prevented volcanic activity and the creation of maria. But there's still much to learn about this enigmatic lunar landscape. The dark side of the moon might not have aliens, but it's fascinating nonetheless. And who knows what further exploration might reveal? After all, space has a knack for surprising us. Think you know the moon? Let's dive into some lesser-known lunar facts. You might be surprised to learn that our moon is a place of extreme temperature swings. Unlike Earth, the moon doesn't have a substantial atmosphere to retain heat or disperse sunlight. This means that lunar surface temperatures can skyrocket to a scorching 100 degrees Celsius in direct sunlight, and plunge to a bone-chilling minus 150 degrees Celsius in the darkness. Another quirk of our moon is something we Earthlings are familiar with: quakes. Yes, you heard it right, the moon experiences moonquakes, much like our earthquakes, except they are less frequent and milder. The Apollo missions, which brought humans to the moon in the 1960s and 70s, left seismometers that recorded these moonquakes, providing scientists with fascinating insights into the moon's interior. And let's not forget about water on the moon. For a long time it was believed that the moon was completely dry, but recent discoveries have revealed the presence of water ice within the shadowy craters at the moon's poles. This discovery has sparked a renewed interest in lunar exploration, as this water could potentially be used to support future human missions. The moon may seem barren and unchanging, but it's full of surprises. So, what have we learned about our celestial neighbor? Well, quite a lot actually. We've delved into the mysteries and wonders of the moon, our closest space companion. What was once an enigmatic orb in the night sky has been revealed to be an entity with an intricate past and an important role in our lives. Let's recap. The moon, roughly 4.5 billion years old, was formed from a violent collision between Earth and a Mars-sized body named Theia. This cataclysmic event scattered debris into space, which eventually coalesced to form the moon. A celestial body born out of chaos, now a beacon of calm in our night sky. Quite the transformation, wouldn't you say? We also discussed the vital role the moon plays in our everyday lives. It's not just a pretty face in the sky, its gravitational pull is responsible for the ebb and flow of our ocean tides. It keeps our planet's tilt stable, ensuring a balanced climate. Essentially, the moon is Earth's silent, steadfast guardian, protecting and nurturing life as we know it. Next, we ventured to the dark side, or rather the far side of the moon. Contrary to popular belief, it's not always dark, but it is always hidden from Earth's view. This side is pockmarked with more craters and less of the smooth plains we see on the near side. It's a testament to the moon's history, bearing the scars of countless cosmic impacts. And finally, we explored some oddities about the moon, like the fact that it's gradually moving away from us, at a rate of about 1.5 inches per year, or that it has moonquakes, similar to our earthquakes, caused by the gravitational interaction with Earth. In conclusion, the moon is much more than a simple celestial body. It's a testament to our universe's violent past, a crucial component of our planet's ecosystem, and a source of endless fascination and wonder. Next time you look up at the moon, remember the complex and intriguing world that hangs just 238,855 miles away.